Friends, puzzle number 12, which is actually a number system question, in fact a word by word CAT 2008 problem. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 till 40, numbers 1 to 40 are written on the board. Keep erasing any two numbers, let's say a comma b, any two numbers, you have to erase any two numbers and replace by a plus b minus 1. So if you have erased any two numbers a and b, you have to write one number back which is a plus b minus 1, and you have to keep doing it. So in other words, in every operation you are erasing two numbers and you are just writing one back. So in other words, in every operation one number is getting reduced. So the question is, what number will finally remain? So after some time, obviously there will be exactly single number remaining on the board. What is that? Friends, let's look at the solution. I'm getting a feeling that most of you have solved it. The answer is 781. Let's see how. Well, let's look at the mathematical explanation. If I erase any two numbers, let's say a and b, and I am replacing by a plus b minus 1. So now my one number is remaining on the board is a plus b minus 1, the other number is c, and then there are more numbers. If I say that the numbers are a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h and so on. Now let's say I am erasing this number and this number. I am just saying because I can erase any two, the logic is valid for all combinations. So if I erase these two numbers, this entire number is my a now and this number is my b now. So in place of these two numbers, what will actually remain on the board? A plus b minus 1. So in other words, it is a plus b minus 1 plus c minus 1, because this is actually a, this is b minus 1. So if I do some kind of taking the like terms together and on, it becomes a plus b plus c minus 2 and so on. The remaining numbers are as it is. So now pay attention. In other words, I have erased three numbers by now, a, b and c. And what I have got on the board, instead of that I have got a plus b plus c minus 2. So this is still three numbers. So obviously you can extend the logic further. So in other words, what essentially is happening? The entire total of these numbers will happen. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till 4 till 40. So what is the total? There is a formula. If I do 1 plus 2 plus till n, there is a formula which is n into n plus 1 by 2. First n natural numbers. So if you apply this formula till here, it is 40 into 41 by 2, which is 820. 41 into 20. So 820 is the entire total, which is a plus b plus c plus d and so on. And from this, what to get the answer, what I will do is 820 minus 39, which is 781. This is the answer. So now from where 39 has come? Because this operation we are performing 39 times. Because there are originally 40 numbers on the board, erasing 2, adding 1. So in every operation, one number is getting deleted. So to delete 39 numbers, 39 times this operation will be there. 820 minus 39, 781 is the answer.